In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily delete a photo from Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, open up Facebook app. And then we need to go to our Facebook profile. To do that, top right here at your profile picture. And then if we would like to remove a photo from our Facebook album, we need just to scroll down a bit and tap Add Photos. What that will do, that will show you all of your Facebook photos. And from here, we can first of all select some particular album to filter our photos. And also add your photos. We can find all the photos we have ever uploaded on Facebook. And then if we would like to delete some photo, all we have to do is just tap on it. Then tap at these three dots and then delete photo. On the next step it says, are you sure you want to delete this photo? It will also delete the post. To continue, tap at delete. In that way, we can delete any photo from our Facebook album. However, also, if we go to our Facebook profile and scroll down to our Facebook timeline, we can find some photos here too. And if you would like just to remove a post from our timeline, which includes pictures, we need to tap right here at three dots and then move to trash. Items in your trash will be automatically deleted. After 30 days, however, you can delete them from your trash earlier by going to Activity Lock in that settings to continue. Stop at Move. That's how you can easily delete a photo from your Facebook timeline and from your Facebook photos.